Pating Reviews presents Canon Pixma MG3000 all-in-one printer. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. Excellent printer, beautiful pictures. Setup is not the most intuitive process regarding wireless printing, so let me save you some time. Download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. At first, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the on lamp flashes. After this, press the black start button, then the Wi-Fi button once more. Ensure the Wi-Fi light flashes quickly and the on lamp is lit. Wireless setup through the computer, I'm sure, is not impossible, but the phone app method was more attractive to me. Overall, the printer has great picture quality and is a great price, and it doesn't use much ink. Overall, I definitely recommend that you check out this printer. Here's a bit more information about this printer. The color is black. Brand, Canon. Item dimensions, length, width, and height is 19.5 by 12 inches by 6 inches. Wireless communication technology is Wi-Fi. Hardware interface is USB. You can print, scan, and copy. Max print resolution is 4800 by 1200 dpi. Print speed is 9.9 IPM. Black is 5.7 IPM color. Borderless prints up to 8.5 inches wide. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.